Great news! Delta Executor has just been updated with a brand new direct install method for iPhone and iPad. You can now install the latest Delta Executor version without a computer, without AltStore, and without sideloadly. In this video, I'll show you the complete updated installation process step by step. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Then go to applejr.net. Once the website opens, find the Delta Executor version 2.729. Now tap the Direct Install button. Tap Install. Return to your home screen and wait for the app icon to finish loading. When you see the Untrusted Enterprise Developer message, open the Settings app. Go to General, scroll down, and open VPN and Device Management, and then tap Trust. Now return to your home screen and reopen Delta Executor. If the app opens normally, the direct installation was successful. That is how to directly install Delta Executor Mobile newer version on an iPhone or iPad using applejr Direct Install. For updated installation status and future versions, check the link in the description. Subscribe for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.